But I've always wondered why flies love our food so much. Should we go ask someone who actually knows?
Good idea.
Let's ask Bobo. He's the wisest animal in the forest.
Ugh, these flies are driving me nuts. Why do they always show up when we're trying to eat?
It's like they have a food radar. Are they just here to annoy us?
Maybe. But I've always wondered why flies love our food so much. Should we go ask someone who actually knows?
Good idea.
Let's ask Bobo. He's the wisest animal in the forest. Hey, Bobo, we need your help.
Why do flies keep buzzing around our food?
Flies. They're drawn to food because they need it to survive, especially sugary and rotting stuff. It's how they get their nutrients.
That makes sense, but how do they find our food so quickly?
Let me show you why.
I will never look at flies the same way after learning this. Their noses are tiny, but oh so mighty. Flies have these incredible smell receptors. They're so good at sniffing out food that they can detect it from far, far away. Imagine having a nose so keen you could smell a pizza from the next town over. That's flies for you. Once a fly finds food, bam! They send out invisible party invitations to all their buzzing buddies. Soon enough, you've got a fly fiesta on your hands. So next time you see one fly, remember, it might just be the start of a party. Keep those snacks covered, folks. Flies are always on the hunt, and they've got the sniffers to prove it. Pretty cool, right?
Yikes! So if there's one, there could be a whole swarm.
Exactly. Keep food covered and your spot clean. And you'll have fewer uninvited guests.
Thanks, Bobo. Now we understand why they're always around.
Yeah, let's keep our meal fly-free next time.
Now, let's learn how to say fly in Chinese. The word for fly is
苍蝇
the first character,
苍
means dark or black. It has 14 strokes. The second character,
蝇
means fly. It has 19 strokes. Writing these characters takes practice, but with patience, you'll get the hang of it.
This is tricky, but I think I'm getting it.
Me too. Now we know how to write.
苍蝇
And impress all our forest friends.
Now, let's learn more about this insect. Flies. There are many kinds, and each has a different name in Chinese.
Oh, I always thought all flies were the same. But I guess I was wrong.
Haha, same here. So Bobo, what kinds are there?
Let's start with the fruit fly. It's really small and loves to hang around fruits.
I've seen those near my kitchen window. What's it called in Chinese?
In Chinese, it's called
果蝇 果
means fruit and
蝇
means fly, which you've already known.
Cool, what's next?
Next is the tabanid fly. It's also called a horsefly. It's bigger and bites.
Ouch, I don't like those. How do we say it in Chinese?
In Chinese, it's
牛虻 牛
means cow and
虻
is a kind of biting fly.
Got it.
牛虻
I'll stay away from that one.
And the third one is the blowfly. It's shiny and metallic and often found near trash.
Oh, but shiny? That sounds confusing.
Haha! In Chinese, it's called
丽蝇 丽
means beautiful or shiny looking and
蝇
again means fly.
So today we learned
苍蝇、果蝇、牛虻、丽蝇。
Great job, team! Now you know that not all flies are the same, and you've learned how to say their names in Chinese, too. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy a fun story about a little fly and its big adventure.
小小苍蝇世界，你知道吗？苍蝇也有很多种类，它们不是全部都一样哦。有些喜欢水果，有些会咬人，有些身体闪闪发亮。果蝇，果蝇是很小很小的苍蝇，最喜欢飞到水果上。你吃水果的时候，有没有看过它们？牛虻，牛虻比果蝇大，还会咬人。如果你去农场，有时候会遇到它们，要小心哦。丽蝇，丽蝇的身体是绿色或蓝色，像金属一样闪亮。它们常常出现在垃圾附近，不太干净。虽然有些苍蝇让人讨厌，但它们也是大自然的一部分。记得保持环境干净，就能少看到它们了。
Whether it's a fruit fly or a blowfly, now we know their names. And that's pretty fly, don't you think? See you soon, my forest friends. Let's keep exploring the wonders of nature together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can join me and my forest friends again next time.